G'day there, John Bowe here, and I'm at Gray's Classic Cars on this beautiful Melbourne winter's day. And what a cracker car this is. Now this is what is known as a resto-mod. It is a genuine Z28 RS Camaro, but it's been modified. It has a 454 big block engine, a Tremec 5-speed gearbox, which is nice and smooth and lovely, unlike what they had in the day. Electric power steering, and it is beautiful. It is honestly the best looking muscle car I think I've ever seen. And I started my Touring Car Masters racing period of my life in a Camaro Z28. It's got the flip headlights, which was the 69 model feature, front spoiler, which was the Z28 feature. It's got these beautiful Magnum wheels. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, houndstooth trim, like genuine stuff. Like, it is just absolutely beautiful. And the 69 Mustang and the 69 Camaro were competitors on the track and in the showrooms. But this one's a special one. So this houndstooth trim is what they came out with. It's all been totally restored, obviously. It's got all these little features that were with them when they were new. Nice little gauges here that all work. It has a resto radio. It looks old-fashioned, but it's not. Also, it's got electric power steering, which really is nice and smooth. The power steering they originally came out with was as light as a feather and not very accurate. But this has been properly executed, and it's absolutely beautiful. Now that is an engine. 454 big block. It is mammoth. Edelbrock manifold, Holy Carb, MSD ignition, all the right sort of things. This really, truly is probably one of the best resto mod cars I've ever seen. So I don't always drive the cars I review, but in this case, I want to drive it. So I'm going to take it for a run and see what it's like. And as it's my last appearance out here, yeah, I'm going to make the most of it. 454. This big block engine is so smooth, you don't need any revs. Like, it's doing 1500 revs, I'll put it in 4th gear. It's doing 800 revs now and it'll just pull away with not a shudder. So the good thing about having the Tremec gearbox in it though is that on the open road you can cruise along beautifully. So there you have it, American muscle at its absolute finest. I love this car and I would like to have it.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.